In this video, I will take you through our three-step process to branding a boutique hotel. This is a real-life case study of a hotel here in Canada that we branded that's part of the Marriott Tribute Portfolio Collection. I will take you through our brand discovery, brand strategy, how we came up with the names for the hotel, as well as the brand identity development and how it manifested into the final design. So there are three steps we follow when branding any client: discovery, direction, and design. Step 1 is discovery. This is where we get to know your boutique hotel inside out. It's a 1-hour interview session where we ask the important questions, like tell us about your business. What is the vision for your hotel? What will set your hotel apart from the rest? What are your goals for the next 5 to 10 years? Tell us about the neighborhood your hotel is in. Who are your target customers and what are they like? What's the main message you want to convey to your customers? Who are your 3 biggest competitors and why should customers choose you over them? Then we'll adjust what we call brand sliders to pinpoint your hotel's personality. For example, this particular hotel leans slightly more feminine, aims to be complex yet youthful, bright and eye-catching, classic, friendly, luxurious but playful, and unconventional. Will capture that unique essence. A week later, we return with a brand strategy to attain your goals and attract your ideal customers. So this particular hotel will be situated in Vaughan, which is a city that's just north of Toronto. The owner of the hotel has a banquet hall called Chateau Le Jardin. People come here to celebrate life's occasions like weddings, anniversaries, as well as trips of wanderlust to business ventures. So it must have an upbeat and lively atmosphere. The goal is to transform ordinary experiences into unforgettable memories. Now, when it comes to the hotel's brand personality, this hotel aligns with the lover archetype. The lover is all about creating relationships and evoking emotion. They want to make people feel special and foster intimacy. If the hotel were a person, it would be like Leonardo DiCaprio in The Great Gatsby. Stylish, quirky, energetic, optimistic, inclusive, and engaging. Its core values include celebration, uplifting experiences, authenticity, expressive hospitality, and community connection. Now let's look at the ideal customer persona. Meet joyful Jessica. She's outgoing, enthusiastic, adventurous, valuing experiences over possessions, seeking genuine connections, and having high expectations. The hotel becomes Jessica's vibrant haven. We look at a competitive landscape in Vaughan, checking out nearby hotels like Homewood Suites, Hilton Garden Inn, and Novotel. These are all mainstream with varying prices, but they lack personalization. They're like pay, stay, and leave. Our hotel, it shines with high personalization, making every guest trip a unique experience. Now let's talk about the manifesto, the rallying cry that all the staff and stakeholders of the hotel can rally around. Ours is called Where Every Moment Shines. It's a pledge to uplift every guest experience with celebration and connection, fostering genuine bonds where every heartbeat becomes a celebration. Guests aren't just guests, they're part of our tapestry, where every moment is cherished. We got taglines to choose from, like Where Every Moment is a Celebration, or Elevating Life's Joys One Moment at a Time, or Embrace the Joyful Journey with Us. Now let's look at the positioning of our hotel. Our hotel is the only modern lifestyle spot in Vaughan. It blends boutique quirkiness, leading-edge style, exceptional service, and global brand benefits. It caters to the travelers and visitors seeking unique and uplifting experience. This is our hotel's North Star, guiding everything we do. Now, on to the exciting part, naming the hotel based on everything we've presented so far. We have 4 suggestions and mood boards. The first one is The Vaunt, signifying high praise. It's bold and iconic with vibrant colors. Next up, Hotel V. Of course, V is for Vaughan. It's stylish, distinguished, and vibrant with cool blues and purples. The Revel is our third choice. To revel means to enjoy in a lively sort of way, celebrating joyful moments. It's a bit offbeat with warm, vibrant colors. Lastly, the Lumen. Lumen is what you use to measure light. The word luminary means a prominent person who inspires others. It's bright and optimistic, like a celebration of life. It's warm with a touch of elegance. Out of all these, Hotel V was their favorite. But we found out that there was another hotel called the V Hotel, so we renamed it Hotel V. V means life in French, an appropriate name as the very best parts of life seems to happen at this hotel. Step 3 is design, where we craft a visual identity that resonates with your audience. Using this particular mood board and color palettes, we explored 4 logo options. The first one was a martini glass inspired V for a chic look. The second one was sparkles, symbolizing celebrations for a lively vibe. The third was more Art Deco, the aesthetics evoked during the Great Gatsby era. And finally, the one that the client went for was an illustrated logo merging a woodpecker and a rose. The woodpecker, which is the native bird of Vaughan, combined with the rose, the logo of Chateau Le Jardin, which is the owner of the event venue that also owns the hotel. Here's the final logo. With the gold foil stamping on dark blue background, it exudes elegance and opulence. This brand identity flows through everything, from business cards to hotel stationery and collateral, to invitations and menus, hotel interiors with matching color palettes, as well as a website showcasing rooms and amenities.